Hey guys, good morning. Just wanted to say congratulations to everybody that's holding AMC. You actually just broke major trend, which is basically the biggest trend that you guys have had ever since, June 16th of 20, I think, was that 2021? Yeah, right. I think it was 2021. Boom, 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 boom. June 2021. Jesus. Yeah. So, I mean, if you guys are an AMC holder, I think this thing is going straight to $27. I mean, that day candle right there is absolutely nuts. Pre-market is even better, right? I actually had calls last week that I sold at $19, and I'm kind of regretting not holding now because that shit would have been worth at least like 1,000%. I should have just bought shares, honestly. But yeah, this thing looks like it's going to $27, and if it breaks 27, probably 32. But it's I think I'm straight bullish on this and all the meme stocks right now, just because especially AMC, just because you actually broke that like a full over a year trend, and this has been going back since, like I said, mid June, right? So June 14th of 2021. This is essentially about a year and like a month or so of a trend that just got broken last week on the daily chart, right? And see in the 4 hour, yeah, you have a full 4 hour that's going to be closing, a full bullish 4 hour that's going to be closing in 3 minutes or so. So if anything, I'd probably say this is still a safe long to $27. The only thing that you actually can see maybe a small correction back here to trend, something like this, right? Maybe like a little bit like that, something like this, and then you can see that push back to $27. So I think as soon as we do touch trend, if we do, I'm gonna go into longs and I'm gonna write this into $27. So I wouldn't be surprised to see AMC back at around a little bit under $20 in the next sometime this week. And after we see that correction, if we do hit it, I'm probably gonna go into longs for $27. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.